Hi friends, this is Mithun Shah. I am here to talk about my freelance analytic venture Ecosmithcodingstation. I hope you are here to hear my video because of your interest in science. I also focus on science and science researchers basically. Maybe you are a PhD student doing your PhD or with a lot of analytics, or you are a postdoc, you want to do a very unique kind of analytics, or you are a master's student who is going to submit your thesis in a very limited time frame. Ecosmithcodingstation use most of the analytics in the cutting edge programming languages like R and Python. You know that when you're doing analysis, you have to think about a lot of things like how to create a hypothesis, how to test a hypothesis, how to wrangle the data for a particular analysis, and how to get useful insights from the data, and how to mine the data. There are a lot of questions you have, but maybe for each analysis you experience a different kind of questions. In this context, Ecosmithcodingstation could help you in doing the analytics in lightning fast and in your limited time frame. Ecosmithcodingstation offers you a great array of services in most of the scientific computing. This is all about Ecosmithcodingstation. Next time I will come to you with an exciting story on scientific computing. And please go through my links below. You can subscribe my channel. So for this section, bye.